Okay, so this is video 3 for Justin Piantadosi. Let me go ahead and... I missed one thing in the last video that I wanted to show off real quick, and that's the high score. So the high score here is starting off at 0 for all of these. Okay, so I just ended that video, or sorry, not video, that play at 350 something points. And as you can see, that's been added to the top here. So if I go ahead and play again, I ended that playthrough with 500 something. And now that's at the top of the leaderboard again. So I just wanted to showcase that the high score and saving and all of that stuff is working. So now that that's that, the next section here is the strategy pattern and the observer pattern that I'll do real quick. So I'll start off with the strategy pattern. So most of this happens in the mode manager, or not happens, but gets set in the mode manager with setting the strategy patterns here, which goes into the movement strategy pattern here, which so I've got two here. I have the keyboard input for the player, which checks for a key press first of all. And then it goes over to the player and gets the left function, the right function, up, and all that fun stuff. And then I also have an AI strategy, or sorry, class that does the same thing. That will get, sorry, that's not that. It will, like, for instance, get the shoot and the move and all that fun stuff. So that's, oh yeah, I'm sorry. This is just for changing the direction that the AI is going. Over here in the movement strategy, we've got the keyboard input, the AI input, and all the things that it does here. Oh, this is just the .h for the file that we're just in. And then in the sound strategy, it's very similar. There's a bass sound class for a play and a stop sound. Then there's a loud class and a quiet class. Quiet is for attractor mode, obviously, and then loud is for the actual game. So that's that for the most part. So that was the strategy pattern there. Then also the observer pattern, which I guess would be most easily showcased in the mushroom with the mush grid. So when it's first created, it's got a pointer. It takes in a pointer to the mushroom grid, and then it sets a variable that it has personally to be the same pointer. So when the mushroom is destroyed, here, when its health reaches 0, it talks to the back to the mushroom grid, which is this pointer here. It says, okay, this mush array here is now null. So the mushroom grid itself was never talking to this mushroom here. It was just referencing back to the mushroom grid that it needed to be killed. I'm sure this has been used lots of other times in the code that I will inevitably show once I get to it. But that's the most obvious version of it right there. So thank you for watching video 3.